Have a simple and basic t-shirt in your pile? Style it with a shirt, open buttons, or with a cardigan to change up your look for different days of your trip depending on the weather. Do you have a summery, short, off-shoulder romper? Layer up with a long cardigan and tights underneath. Throw on a jacket for extra warmth, especially for those cold areas of travel. An all-around basic for the heat is a long t-shirt that you can snap a belt over for more structure. Put on a thick cardigan and pull up some leggings. You can recycle these pieces for other outfits too. Do you have a lovely one-piece dress? In the warm weather, it's comfortable and breezy, but for the frosty weather, slip on a cropped sweater for upper body padding and a whole new style twist. And that concludes this mini tutorial on how to transform your hot weather friendly clothing to cold weather friendly clothing and vice versa. I hope that you found this video useful. Comment below and let me know what tip was the most helpful to you. With these tips, even though you can only bring a limited amount of clothing, you can make your wardrobe work by repurposing and reusing pieces in novel and creative ways. At least for the 1 or 2 week duration, you can transcend fashion seasons. I've got more tips up my sleeves. I mean, not my literal sleeves because I don't have any right now. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future styling or travel videos from me. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like to send me a signal that this is the type of styling content that you want to see. Signing off, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!